Barbell standing rows. So this is a great exercise to build your lats and your traps. What we want to do is bend over a little bit to get the right angle of pull. We retract our shoulder blades to squeeze them together, and then we pull the bar in towards our belly button. So what to avoid here is standing too upright. So we don't want to just be doing barbell shrugs. We want to actually be getting our lats and mid to lower traps working as well. And we don't want to compromise our lower back posture here either. So notice how I grip the bar here. I'm doing a reverse grip, so palms are facing away from me and my hands are nice and wide on the bar. The reason I go reverse grip is to switch off the forearms and biceps a little bit in the movement and get the back more isolated. And the further we grip out, the more trap dominant the movement is going to be and the less lats are going to be involved.